Hi Pooja, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening. So congratulations on completing Aspire, a short course. So tell me, how was your experience with this course? Did you like it? What all have you learned in this course?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, ma'am, I am so lucky to be with you and to be the part of जहाने मन. Like सब कहते हैं लॉकडाउन हाँ थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमेटिक आया है पूरे जहां के लिए बट मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा आया है क्योंकि मैंने अपनी टीचिंग स्किल्स को लर्निंग स्किल्स को लाइफ स्किल्स को मैंने बहुत एनहेंस किया है विद जहाने मन. एंड योर ऑल प्रोग्राम्स इंस्पायर मी. चाहे वो नारी तेरे मन की बात हो चाहे वो टीचिंग से रिलेटेड हो या फिर कुछ इंफॉर्मेटिव हो. तो मैंने जो अपना आज एस्पायर का प्रोग्राम जो आज खत्म किया है आई एम सो हैप्पी. आई लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू. there were so many topics which were I was little knowing but technically I was not knowing the name. So now I can say that I am a good teacher, best teacher, and I will try my best to do more, giving to my students, like which I was not able to do that last time. Now, this time, I will do more and more.
Okay, so thank you very much, Pooja. And Pooja, in Aspire, like it was a short course, just 10 classes you have taken, and there are many more to be done to sharpen our life skills. And it's very important, we all know for the teachers that teachers should continue learning, then only she can continue teaching. Otherwise, if she stop learning, then she is going to be a very ineffective teacher, not effective teacher. So now you tell me, what do you suggest that which all topics will be suitable for the teachers to go ahead to sharpen their teaching skills, and what will you suggest that what all topics we have to include in Aspire program?
मैम दिस टाइम इट वाज अ शॉर्ट कोर्स एंड पता भी नहीं लगा 10 days कब बीत गए क्योंकि एवरीडे वी वर एक्साइटेड नहीं अभी क्लास होने वाली है. एंड आई एम ऑलवेज थिंक आई एम अ लर्नर. आई एम जीरो बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग समवेयर if you think you know all things then you will never learn. So you have to be a learner always. So we have to do I think according to me time management, class management and many more like storytelling sessions, role play. So many more we have to do. There are
Okay.
many programs which we want to do.
Okay, so thank you very much. Certainly, we have one more course that is of 3 months. So in 3 months, we try to develop the personal skills and the life skills along with the teaching skills and professional skills. And focus is on 21st century skills because those skills are not only essential for the students, but for the teachers as well to be successful in today's world, because we are living in 21st century. So naturally, we have to be equipped with those skills. So,
I have
inshallah.
some questions for you today.
Yes, today, since you have completed the course and you are very happy, and I'm also very happy that there are, that this is the first batch who have completed, and you are the one who were very bright in my class, answering all the questions and doing all the assignments. So you can ask whatever you like.
It was little baby personal, but hopefully you will give the answer. You were a DPS Ajman ex-principal. When you leave from there, why you did leave Dubai? What is the reason?
That is a question, very common question. Everybody, whenever they meet me, they ask the same question. But that what is the reason? Why did you leave Dubai? Dubai. I was in Sharjah, in fact. So I was serving in India International School for 5 years. I served over there, and then after that, I shifted to DPS. In fact, I was the founder principal because my management is planned to start a DPS school, taking franchisee from DPS Delhi. So naturally, when you are starting a new school, you have to start from the scratch. And then I still remember that we started just with 56 students, and it was like so that building completion was yet to be done, and then there were many things to be done. But we started. We said once we have announced that DPS is going to be there in Ajman, so it has to be there, and we have to start. So we started over there. And Alhamdulillah, within 2 years, the school has done very well, and the people were attracted towards that school, and the students were doing so well, especially when we talk about their confidence building and their personality development. But due to certain my like family issues, because my family was here in India and they were missing me, so that's why I planned to come back. And then I came back to India, hoping that India needs me more than UAE.
Okay, ma'am. One more question I want to ask. Only
Yeah, yeah,
one
sure.
more.
I told you, you ask
Okay.
as much as you want.
Okay. When you came back India, what do you think? I mean, when you came back, then what do you think? Like, what I have to do? Then why you started Aspire? So what was in your mind?
Okay,
What I
very
should
nice
do?
question. You know, when I came to India, I was offered a very good job by Delhi Waqf Board. They had the plan of starting 16 schools, and they have given me the target. I came here in the month of end June. I remember I came on 20th June and I joined the Delhi Waqf Board on 24th June. And they gave me the target that we have to start our school 16 schools during that session, and one school has to be by 15th August, because they wanted that flag hosting should be there in that school. So I was very happy. You know, my nature is such that I always want to take the challenges. And if there is no challenge, if it is everything is going very smoothly and easy, then I invite the challenges. Come to me, because I want to face them. So but anyways, after my joining, after I think 1 month or so, the message given to me was that now there is no plan of starting any school till the election was due in the month of February. Then naturally I have to find my own ways. When schools are not starting, then what I have to do in that organization. So I started with the teachers training programs. And then I conducted teachers training program from that platform, from Delhi Work Board. And successfully many teaching program, it was free for the teachers, those teachers who are not getting the chance, the teachers of budget school, the teachers who are working, private school teachers who are working for the underprivileged children. So those teachers, I started training to them. And then after my completion of the contract with Delhi Work Board, I found that there is a tremendous scope, because our teachers require, large number of teachers require lots of training, not only in
Yes.
the teaching skills in the professional life, but their personal life as well. They lack
Yes. Yes.
motivation, they don't find any purpose, they don't find any pleasure in attending the schools and going to the schools and dealing with the children. Then I thought that this is the best thing where I can contribute a little bit to my country and to my countrymen and my community, that is teaching community. Then I started doing the training program, and then I designed different types of modules. So one module is Aspire. Aspire is just a capsule, like 10 classes, and a very short and crisp things, what is essential for the teachers. We try to give them, so that they will feel motivated and elevated. I always tell them that you are the one who are the builders of nation, and why are you underestimating yourself? Okay, your existence has a great meaning. You
Yes.
are shaping the students' future. So we have to be very happy with our profession, and we should not look at the money part, because money will follow. Don't worry. If you are a good teacher, if you are an effective teacher, the world is in need of such teacher. So you will find a good job, you will find handsome salary, and then apart from salary, there are many other ways also to earn money. So money will follow. First we have to have some substance in us. So in this way I started this platform. And luckily COVID-19 was there. So it everybody is blaming COVID-19, but I'm very happy, because you know, due to lockdown everybody was in the house. So then this platform, like doing online coaching, online training, so it was really very fantastic idea. I started doing that, and then by the grace of Almighty, I'm very happy that I'm reaching to the people and helping them.
It, I was just thinking to ask this question same. The COVID-19 you already tell me before my
Yeah.
question. So nice. Yeah, and it's good because like you always say कि we have to be always saying positive. जब हमारे पास जज्बा हो किसी चीज को करने का तो हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, बस हमारे अंदर जज्बा होना चाहिए कि हमें कुछ करना है तो हम कुछ भी पा सकते हैं.
Sure. I think we have one more student from Aspire with us. So
Yes,
let me
ma'am.
call Siddiqa, so that we can find out what Siddiqa has to say about Aspire.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. And Assalamu
Walaikum
alaikum, ma'am. How are
salam.
you?
I'm good. Yes, Siddiqa, tell me. So you completed the
Um,
Aspire. Congratulations. Now tell me, what was your experience about Aspire?
it was just mind-blowing experience as I wasn't very familiar to the teaching line, and just because of your platform, it was just amazing. In some days only, I got to know many things about teaching, very important, very essential things about teaching that teachers should know. Okay, and it was just very nice and very the class was also very interesting with you, and yeah, and I think that you should continue this. You should you should take more days with it, like do the class which contain more topics including teaching line. So yeah, it was amazing. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Siddiqa, for your lovely words. And I always uh, motivate you to be a teacher, because you mentioned in one of the class that you don't want to be a teacher, you wanted to be a doctor or an engineer. But my personal advice is, because your personality is such, you are so loving, you are so caring, you have lots of patience,
Thank you so
and
much.
these qualities are essential for a teacher. So kindly
Yeah,
complete your degree, and then you just single-mindedly that I have to be a teacher, and I have to be a teacher that's going to make difference in the society. I am going to be a teacher that is going to do something for the society. I am the teacher who is going to shape the future of the students and making them a good human being. So I wish you all the
inshallah,
best.
sure.
I wish you all the best, Siddiqa.
Thank you so much. And ma'am, I have collected some questions for you. So shall I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So first question for you is, who inspires you to go ahead in your life?
Who inspires me? First of all, my great inspiration is my father, and
Okay.
who is 74 or 75 years of age, but still he works, and still he
Wow,
is
mashallah.
yes, still he works. He is a teacher trainer, and he
Oh,
started his career as a teacher, and then he was the headmaster, and then he established many schools, and right now
okay.
he is in Mumbai, and he is teacher trainer, and he is involved in many social activities, and
Mashallah.
like giving the lectures and other things. So when I look at my father, I always feel that when he can do at this age, why not me? And
Yeah, exactly. That's true.
naturally I have to follow his footprints. So he is my greatest inspiration in life.
That's interesting. And next question is, how do you manage both the things, personal and your professional life together? I mean, it's a little difficult work, as I think. So how do you manage?
For that, I think I have to be grateful to my family members, because they are very
Okay.
supportive, and they
Mashallah.
always give me free time so that I can do my such type of activities, and I'm not being disturbed by them quite often. And now, though, Alhamdulillah, my children are grown up, and they are into their own life. They are doing their jobs. So I don't have much responsibility towards my children, except they're providing them the emotional support. And
Okay.
my husband is also a self-dependent person, so he manages all his affairs on his own. So in this way, my family is very supportive, and that's why I am able to do all these things.
Mashallah, that's very nice. That's very amazing. Most of the families are not like that type of. You're actually lucky one.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
true. Alhamdulillah.
okay. And one more question I have. What all the problems you faced in reaching to this success? I mean, many persons face the problems, right? So what about you?
I don't think that I faced many problems. Only thing was that I have to convince myself. Okay, once I
Okay.
convinced
Yeah.
myself that I have to do this, then all the
Yeah,
problems
that's
on the
true.
way looks like nothing. Then we think that, okay,
Good.
it's my decision that I have to do this, and naturally when I have decided to do something, then whatever comes on that way, whatever challenges, whatever problems, I have to face it. And I should not like disturb the other family members because of my ambition, because of my dream. So that's
Yeah,
why I
that's true.
never find myself into any trouble and any problem. I always enjoy my teaching profession, enjoy my life, enjoy my work, and still I'm enjoying. So as such, there
That's
was
amazing.
no much problem.
Okay. And the last question, and it's very important for me, and I don't know about others, that how did you get the idea of starting your own YouTube channel?
Actually, thanks to lockdown. And in fact, I
Oh,
started my channel when I was in at Dubai. Earlier, I used to work for Z Channel, and I used to do lots of social and Islamic and educational programs for them. Then I
mashallah.
shifted to Dubai, and then there was like a disconnect. I was not able to fly down to do the programs. Once or twice I came, and then I did, but after that it was really difficult because of the distance. Then I used to
Hmm.
think that I am disconnected from my own sisters, from my own brothers, from my own people, because I was there in Dubai, and naturally distance plays very important role, because when you are there, you cannot call them so quite often, you cannot contact them quite often. Only WhatsApp or Facebook is the
Right.
medium through that you can do. Then I started my Jahaniman channel over there, so that I can at least send some videos to them and they can watch my videos. I was not very regular due to my responsibilities as a principal, and that too as a founder principal of a school. So
Okay.
that, lots of responsibilities were there, and I was not finding time. But when I came
Okay.
here, and then when I found that due to lockdown, everything is like closed, and we cannot physically meet the people, we cannot physically organize some programs. So that's why then I started being very regular on Jahaniman. I started every day, and we started during the month of Ramadan, because it started with the blessings of Ramadan. I
Oh,
used to do
that's
one
really good.
program on the Ramadan every day on different aspect of the Ramadan. Then
Okay.
when I announced after Ramadan that now Ramadan is over, so there won't be any program, all my sisters started saying, no, no, how it's possible, now we are habitual of listening you every day, so please continue this, and let's have a program, different types of programs. Then I designed the
That's
program in
really
such
nice.
a way that it caters the need of all the people in the society, the children, the women, the parents, the teachers, the students. So we have different programs, different days for different sects of the society. So in this way, we are, alhamdulillah, managing, and support of
That's
the people is there.
that's really very good, ma'am. Actually, I also used to get. I mean, like I also used to hear your programs, and it's really very effective programs. Like every type of fields you include, है ना? So it was really very effective, and you. I hope you continue like this in your whole life, and may Allah shower His blessings upon you always. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Jazakallah khair. It was really very encouraging, motivating. And actually, we need such type of motivation from the people, because we are for the people. And
Yeah,
if
true.
you motivate us, then that's going to play a very important role
Yeah,
in our
that's exactly true.
upcoming programs.
Yeah,
Okay, then Siddiqa, thank you very much.
that's
Take
it.
care.
Thank you.
Yes,
Welcome. You're most welcome.
Pooja
And
is
you
also
also take
there?
care.
Sure,
Yes,
sure.
yes, I'm here, ma'am.
Yes, Pooja, do you have to ask anything?
I have two, three questions if you
Yes,
have
please.
time.
Yeah, right.
uh, Ma'am, वैसे तो you always busy because we saw every time you are busy with your training parts and other kind of topics. Every day you have your program, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 4 o'clock. So आप अपने लिए कैसे time निकालते हैं? What you do if you have any free time? What you want to do?
Actually, अपने लिए time is, this is my time. When I do some program, that is my time, and when I'm not doing any program, that is a time for others. Uh, of course, I get time for my prayers, and I am a regular pray. I regularly pray 5 times, Alhamdulillah, and then I read the books, and then I sit with my family also, and then I discuss with them certain issues, and I discuss the issues prevailing in the society. Like nowadays, we are very much disturbed because of the rape cases and all. So naturally, I get time for my family also. But my most happiest time is when I am with the people, when I am with the students and the teachers, because they are my life.
Your passion.
Yes, I'm very
Ma'am,
passionate.
who is behind your success? What do you think?
I just think that Almighty is behind my success, because I don't find anything special in me. I am very ordinary person, and not very highly talented. I am just mediocre in everything. But whatever I have achieved so far, I think it's just blessings of Almighty, because I am a firm believer in Him. And I firmly believe that whatever happens in this world happens by His command. And He is the one who is guiding us. And I always count his blessings, that whatever blessings he has given, even I'm alive today, that's also the biggest blessing. I'm able to talk to you, I'm able to laugh, smile, I'm able to like reach to the people. So it all his blessings. So I'm very much thankful to God. He
Okay.
is the one
The
who has
last
given.
question.
Yes.
Now the last question, what kind of more topics you want to do in your program? So what kind of things you want more in your program, Jhanvi?
I think that question I have to ask you, that you tell me which type of programs I have to do, because I am for the people. Whatever people like, I have to present. But yes, of course, certainly I have my own limitations and I have my own boundaries. So I won't go beyond those boundaries, because I don't want to do a certain thing that is like less, that is like a low standard thing, and the things that is not going to serve any purpose in the society, that's not the things that is not giving any benefit to the society. Nowadays, the people are just engaging themselves into um, rubbish type of programs, rubbish type of things, just to gaining a pleasure. And that pleasure is a temporary thing, it's not a permanent thing. I want to
Yes.
work for the permanent happiness, permanent satisfaction. I want to just reach to the people so that their life should move towards the quality life, and certain difference I want to make into the life of the people, life of the students, life of the teachers. So naturally, if you whatever they suggest, I'm ready to do all the sorts of programs.
मैम आई वांट लाइक यू आर अ फीमेल रोल मॉडल और मेरे तो आप मेंटर रहे हो. आई एम फॉलोइंग यू लास्ट फ्रॉम 5-6 years. सो अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप जैसे आप टीचर ट्रेनिंग्स कर रही हैं बच्चों के लिए, तो हमारे ऑलरेडी प्रोग्राम्स है एवरी डे हैं, हर 15 days में. अब फीमेल्स के लिए भी कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन रखिए, जैसे मोटिवेशनल आप कुछ करती हैं, तो आप ऐसा भी कुछ रखिए उनके लिए भी कुछ, जो होम हाउस वाइफ हैं उनके लिए भी कुछ कोर्सेज हों और वो भी पार्टिसिपेट कर पाए. जैसे कल हमारे एक प्रोग्राम में था गांधी जयंती पे, वन ऑफ द
Lady was there. Yes, yes.
पार्टिसिपेंट शी वाज देयर, शी वाज सो हैप्पी. सो आई वांट ऐसे भी आप कुछ कीजिए जिससे मतलब हमारी जो घर पे बैठी हुई हमारे वुमेन्स हैं, दे विल मोर दे हैव टू डू समथिंग, दे विल नॉट
That
गेट
is
स्ट्रेस.
wonderful idea. Yes, certainly I'll work upon this and I'll plan something for them. First, we'll start with the presentations so that they can come, they can present, they can face the camera, and then after that we'll continue with the competitions as well. So very good suggestion. Inshallah, I'll work upon that.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, Pooja,
गॉड
thank
ब्लेस
you
यू
very
मैम.
much. It was nice talking to you, and certainly whatever suggestions you have given to me, I'm going to incorporate in my next program, that is Aspire Level 2, and hope to see you in Aspire. Thank you very much.
Yeah, always, ma'am. Thank you and God bless you, ma'am.
So nice of you. Take care. Bye-bye.